Alright, what's up? Double take here. So it's the end of 2020 and it's still very confusing as to which smartwatch to buy. You've got the Apple watches on one side and then you've got Samsung following suit with the Galaxy line of watches. And then in the background you've got all these WearOS smartwatches bubbling in the background. You've got Fitbit on the other side with all this sort of fitness brands. Then there's Garmin. So I've been trying to make a decision for about 3 years as to which smartwatch to buy. I wanted one to sort of aid me in my interaction with my smartphone, but also help me get a bit fitter, monitor my sleep, general health statistics, all that kind of stuff. Now, you may already notice that I've got something here on my wrist. You guessed right, I managed to bag myself one of these babies for $439 on this Black Friday. Now, these normally go for about £600 since they came out. The Garmin Fenix 6 Pro model in this case. So I'm quite excited about this. I've got an unboxing video here for you today. There will be some detailed reviews coming up in the near future, so please do subscribe. We're a new channel here. We're just starting off to average consumers just buying products out of their hard-earned money and giving you our opinion on how they work. Thank you for watching, and let's go head down. Okay, let's get started. So here it is, the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro version. Now, the box is nice and compact. This is the 47mm size and the display size is 1.3 inches, and that's increased from the previous Fenix 5 model. Now this one is the Pro model, so it comes with inbuilt music, which I'll be testing out. The box is very nicely made. It's quite tight fit. There we go. Nothing else on this side of the box. There we go. So we will take the watch, put it to the side, have a look at what else is in the box. That's empty. Get this opened. Some booklets, which I'm not going to be reading. We have the charging cable. Standard USB on one side to plug in into your wall mount, but Garmin's proprietary connection into their watch. Put that to a side. Now, instantly, I can sort of feel the quality on this watch. It's got some weight to it. And just the finish. Painted or anodized in a gunmetal dark black. Pure black straps at the back, and these come with Garmin's easy switch connections, which I'll show in a minute. Okay, so let's unwrap it. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. So that's the power button, and there we go. That's the Garmin logo right there. While that loads up, try it on and have a look. So here we are. Watch is now fully synced with my Android phone. I am going to try it with my iPhone as well, just to see how it reacts with both Android and iOS systems. Now, as you can see, that looks very nice. It feels good. This strap is very, very comfortable. One quite nice feature in almost all Garmin watches is this little clip that comes underneath the second strap. So that when you clip it in like that, it sticks there in that position, and this doesn't fly off while you're running. It's a fantastic looking device. There's no ifs and buts about it. It looks beautiful. I've always wanted a smartwatch to help me with my running, monitor my sleep, heartbeat, all that kind of stuff. I would go for an Apple Watch just because how easy it is in terms of iOS. However, the thing that just keeps me away from Apple Watches is the looks. I do not like that square, boxy shape with a screen on top. This is more traditional looking, but still quite advanced, and it looks, it looks hefty, it looks good. Okay, so this is the power button that turns the light on. This is a back button, takes you back to the main screen. You can scroll up and down using these buttons. So this one goes up, this one goes down. That takes you back to the main screen. And this button here is to start any activity. There is a whole raft of things you can do with this. I don't think there is any sport out there that you cannot run with one of these bad boys. Okay, so there we have it. The Garmin Fenix 6, and not a bad looking device. Now what I really like about this is the screen. So it's not a touch screen, but that's where you get so much battery life out of it. And these things have an incredible battery life. I'll be testing the amount of time you can go in, and that'll be in my detailed review. It almost looks like it's not a screen when looking at it from certain angles. And it's very good under sunlight. Try and demonstrate that with a light I have here. Try and shine it directly on there and mimic what would happen in the sun. There we go, look at that. That is how you would see it in a very, very bright sun. Okay, so let's take it off, have a quick look at the straps. Got the sensors at the back. There's the charging connection. Pull it back, it's quite secure and firm, and there you go, it's off. And then you can put it back on just like that. Same on the other side. and then you can switch very easily the straps. Now Garmin do have their own straps in all different colors. You get a metal band, you get leather bands, but they are quite expensive. There are copies out there. I've not been able to find a leather or metal version that actually does very well. However, I do have some copy silicone versions from Noto City, which I'll leave the link for in the video, in the description below. The quick release strap on those doesn't quite feel the same in terms of quality, but it doesn't feel like it's going to pop off as you're running. But there we go. The Garmin Fenix 6 Pro in 47mm. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the detailed review.